Hey everybody. So today I won this storage room. I actually won two storage rooms at this facility, but uh, I guess somebody came and paid. Now everything's online in the storage rooms, so it's I don't know. You don't get to see them in person, so you don't know exactly what you're bidding on except for looking at a photo. I did stop and pick up some scrap on the way here. The one cool thing I got while scrapping was this bicycle. It's probably one of the neater things I've picked out of the trash. I kind of wish I got it on film, but it has a good chopper look. Definitely sellable. It's an old Columbia, probably 1970s, but somebody welded these forks on. Definitely gave it a good look. I probably get 80 to 100 bucks for that bike without a problem. And I found a little bit of copper and brass. Copper and brass has been going up. It's now over $2 for brass, and number 2 copper I heard $3. So definitely got to get that all done. But hopefully this room here fits in that truck with all the scrap I picked up. We don't have to make 2 trips. Boom, boom. Well, doesn't look like I got the room for 40 bucks. Looks like a bunch of junk mostly. Let's see if there's any all the boxes are mostly empty. It's a Sony 2-head cassette player. Yeah, that's sellable. Feels like trash. Yep. I don't know why people store trash, but it's definitely a common thing. That's a whole nother bag of trash. So full bottle of bleach. So probably $2 in bleach. 7 clothes for recycling. Bunch of them little wallets and stuff. These would actually sell fairly well at the flea market pretty fast. Probably $5 worth of stuff at the flea market. A bunch of these legal boxes. Looks like what happened here was they came and picked up what they wanted, because there's a bunch of tote lids and box lids, and not enough boxes for those lids. Probably left the rest. So, good ladder feet. Probably another $5-10 at the flea market. This, that's just the VCR. When I saw this in the picture, seeing that it was the VCR combo, I was thinking it had a shot of being new. Definitely not. It's a Magnavision box, but really long speaker cable, or yeah, not speaker but mic. I think there's 2 of them. This feels like another one. Sometimes I'll probably get $20 just for this one. Probably 5 or 10 for the smaller ones that are in here. It's probably another $30 box. I don't know about this one. That's what I was trying to figure out. Technical Pro 16GA. I'll have to look that up. It's probably a $15 one though. Pencil sharpener, $2 or $3. VCR, it's kind of beat, but it does have the remote, so I sell them $5–10. I thought those two books could have been stamps, but looks like office stuff. These look like they're flower holders. No. You know what this is? This is actually pretty cool. These stick right next to your lawn chair. Stick your beer inside it. Like from the 80s, 70s or 80s. A lot of fun. Actually don't have one right now, so I think I'll save those. I like that they have the little brass caps on the end. Hold your tasty beverage. Alright, let's see. No, files. I got it's shot on mystery tote here. It looks like more junk. Definitely not the best room, but I'm actually pretty happy with what we found so far. The other room, I guess somebody was trying to save my back for it being paid for. It had a grand piano in it. Oh, wow. Unused CDs. A ton of them, too. They're probably $5 each at the market. Maybe there's been doing well with DVD burners and stuff like that online. Ton of pens. Let's see if there's anybody good. Nah, just good for writing. Doesn't look like anything's high end. This one's a cross. It's actually not terrible. I think that might be the best pen in there. The rest of them are all like free promotional ones. Guess these are CD holders. Some books. Romans. Another pencil sharpener? No. So, electric stapler. I don't think I've ever had one of those. It's got to be $5. Kind of fun. Guess you put the paper in there and it automatically staples it after you push that little lever. Just trying to separate all the stuff that's good for the kids. This is something. This looks like a little laminator. Yeah, heat. You probably put the little laminating paper, like a license or something. Goes through those rollers. That's actually not bad. Probably $15–20 at the market. See if they have other pieces too. No, the rest is junk in there. Lots of garbage. Size 16. Got some clown shoes here. Definitely, man. Those are big feet. Little GoPro holder. And a couple books. Let's see what this last box is. A little bit more books. I think that's almost it. A couple new Home Depot boxes. Yes. Wonder if they're scented or not. I guess they are. Smell like licorice and everything else. Bring those for the kids. Bet they'll like those. So here's the little IDs that get laminated with that machine. That's kind of cool. A get well bell, putting on the side of the bed. See how long that lasts before you get hit in the head with it. Alright. This is kind of fun. It's an old Lucky Strikes tin. Probably 30s, 40s. Probably was some decent stuff in this room. I thought there was going to be a little bit more scrap, but I'm happy with what we found. I think I got like 3 or 4 boxes of sellable and the rest trash, like normal. I would say 80% of the storage rooms you go to, 50% of the stuff inside is trash. It's just the way it is. So, all right. Favorite thing was the speaker wire, but I don't think I got anything better than the bike I picked on the way here. So hopefully you guys like this video. I know it was quick, but there wasn't a lot in there. And thank you very much for watching. If you haven't yet, please give somebody a call who might be alone. Please be safe out there. I'll show you what the truck looks like packed. And thank you very much for watching. See everybody later. Peace. Definitely a fun bike. So, scraping up the last bits, I did find a pair of boots, a pair of gloves, and I think this one piece is silver, but I'm not sure. No, it's not. It looked like it could have been sterling, but it's not. All right. Found those 2 little pieces of jewelry. Well, it was about 20 minutes. Got it all empty. Got it all on the truck. And for 40 bucks, I probably will be lucky to double my money. It all depends on the speaker wire. All right, time to get out of here. Plus, I have a lot of trash to throw out. I have 2 large bags and this tote, and I can recycle the cardboard. All right.